Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and you've been maybe wondering how to get to the apps and how to uninstall apps or programs within Windows 10. It's rather easy. All you have to do is simply go into your settings, so you can go through the notifications area on the bottom right, or you can go through the standard start menu, go into the little gear icon. In there, you simply go to Apps. Apps includes every app, including those that are that you can uninstall, like old 32-bit apps, not just apps from the Microsoft Store. So you click, and you have an uninstall button that you can click. And you see here this app in its related info will be uninstalled, and you click the uninstall button. Sometimes you'll have to confirm that you're uninstalling, and once it's done, it should, of course, be uninstalled from your PC. So every app and every program, whether it's a Microsoft Store app, whether it's a 32-bit app that you've installed the old-fashioned way by clicking a an installer, should be available here and should be available to get and to be uninstalled from the apps and feature section of your Windows 10 October 2018 update computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.